I am back, guys. Now we're gonna work on our 1/30th scale, the SCX30. We gotta change the rims with this. All right, so let's start. Okay, these are nice tires. It comes with foam inserts. Okay, let's begin. It came with a tool and screws right here. So these are a very tiny screw. Yep, it fits. So let's start. Look at the rims. Look at this cute. Look at these cute rims. These are beadlock rims, so it will sandwich your tires. Like this. So you put the inner ring first, like that, but be careful to not rip your tire. So do it slowly and carefully. There you go, you put it in like that, and then you put this part. Careful still. And the next is this. You just need to line it like that with the hole on the other side. There you go. Get your tool and your screw. Kind of hard to to hold because it's so tiny. See, that's one. And then I'm gonna do the rest off camera. And then I'll be back when I'm finished to install when I'm ready to install it. See you guys. We are on the last wheel. There you go. Alright, so let's see how sticky it is. So these are all the tires. Take off one. These are also tiny nuts. Should have bought a steel one. It's hard to take it off sometimes. There you go. See, it's almost the same. A little bit wider, but the height they're the same. And it's kinda more offset because the rims are wider than the stock rims. Let's see how it goes. It looks nice. It's offset now. It's coming out, like it's out of the. It's not like this. Like it's all the way in. This one is out. But the problem is on the steering. I'll just weigh one and then just multiply it by 4 to see the difference. I also have an Injora shocks that is coming on Wednesday, I think. So to get rid of the rubbing, because this for sure will rub. Yep, it rubs, but look at that. See? It's offset compared to the stock. Just a little bit, maybe like a millimeter. So let's get a weighing scale. Alright, so we got a weighing scale set at 0 grams. Scale 1 of this. No, let's scale the stock tires first, the stock wheels. And this weighs 3 grams. It weighs 3 grams. Then this one should weigh more because it's aluminum. It weighs 4 more grams. So 4 grams difference. It's not bad. There you go, the finished product. It looks nice. It looks cool. I like color. But yeah, I need my shocks. It's nice. I'm happy with it. Okay, let's try it. I need to connect the battery first. Look, I changed the connectors to this so I can plug it with my LiPo battery, no, the charger, because I don't trust the charger it came with. All right, let's see how it performs. Yep, as you can see, it's so nice. It rubs right there. You see that? So I hope when we get the other shocks, it's not gonna rub like that anymore. You see that? It's rubbing. All right, that's it, guys. I'm gonna be back when my shocks come. Okay, till again, see ya.